Welcome to the studio here at Kuala Lumpur. We're talking energy transition in the APAC region. Welcome, Bryan.
Thank you, Ross. Nice to be here.
What are energy companies doing to capitalize on the energy transition in the APAC region?
It's a good question. The market's really changing. It's changing rapidly, and that's creating opportunities for energy companies to create new offerings and also improve their offerings to customers and improve their experiences that they're offering to customers. On the energy side, in many cases, markets are fundamentally restructuring. That's opening up to competition in something that's never happened before. So it's forcing the energy companies to innovate in a way that they've never been able to, never been required to do in the past. So really changing the way they think about things and the way they think about their customers.
So the customer is the center of this whole change?
Yeah, it's all about the customer. Customers' expectations are increasing significantly. They're getting used to things like Amazon and Airbnb and Uber, and they've kind of raised the bar. And as a result, they're expecting the same types of services and products from their energy providers. And it's opening an opportunity to bring new products and new services to the market to meet that need.
And how is Trilliant changing its business models to adapt to this?
Yeah, so what we do is we provide the communications platform to connect the smart grid, smart city, and IoT devices. A lot of our clients are energy companies who are dealing with this transition, and we're partnering with them to help them adjust their strategies and align their strategies to capitalize on this, to create new product offerings, new service offerings that'll lead to new revenue models and improving their customer experience. Okay,
time to put your future hat on, looking into a crystal ball. What are the big changes you see in the next 3 to 5 years?
The big changes are going to be dramatic. First of all, the energy demand growth is increasing so rapidly in this region, more than really anywhere else in the world. And the number of devices that are being connected are increasing exponentially. Recent studies have shown utilities believe that IoT will be a huge part of their success. In fact, 76% of utilities believe IoT is going to be critical to their success. Utility CIOs believe that digital transformation is their top priority for 2019. So energy companies are seeing this. Some are faster to move than others, but they're beginning to move in that direction and understand that their future is at stake if they don't transform their operations.
And how are you experiencing this transformation here compared to other regions?
This region is really it's really started moving quickly over the past few years. There are a lot of great case studies that can be seen here that really are up there at the top of the world. One is here in Malaysia with Tenaga Nasional. They're doing a full rollout across the country, and they've done some things differently. They saw about a decade ago, they saw the changes coming. They saw the market restructuring coming. They saw the digital revolution in a way, and they started planning for this. And they're doing a nationwide rollout of smart metering, but they're also planning to do more than smart metering. So distribution automation and their SCADA applications and smart street lighting, et cetera. But what's even more exciting is they're saying, hey, this creates an opportunity for us. We're going to have a network across the entire country. It gives us an opportunity to come in and be a service provider and provide new service offerings, to those consumers. So that's a game changer, and that's the way I think a lot of utilities are going to be going in the future. Another one is in India. India has its own set of very unique challenges. They're expecting 80% demand growth over the next 10 years. They just can't build generation fast enough. So one of the tools that they're looking for to help resolve that is smart metering. And what smart metering will do in that instance is reduce the losses that they're seeing in the network. They have 30+% losses in the network. That's a lot of generation. And they're using smart metering to reduce that. So one of the clients that we're working with is Energy Efficiency Services Limited, ESL, together with Larsen & Toubro, a big local partner. And they've been mandated to do a lot of the smart metering rollouts. Today, they've done the largest rollout in India. They'll have another 4 million meters deployed over the next 14 months. But what's exciting is the results that they've already seen. In six months or so, they've already, in some of their high loss areas, they've already seen up to 21-22% increase in revenue just through automation, improving the billing and collections, and reducing the manual intervention in the process.
Excellent, that's very exciting. Thanks, Bryan. Thanks for joining us.
Thank you.
Be sure to subscribe to our channels for more industry-related content. Thank you.